Hello everyone, my name is Miniseti. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about Bergson and Samuelson social welfare function. This function is given by Abram Bergson in 1938 and this is new approach to welfare economics. Now we will talk about assumptions of this social welfare function. First assumption is this function is based on ordinal preferences of individuals. This function is based on ordinal preferences of individual, and ordinal preferences means which we cannot measure in terms of numbers. For example, person A prefers an apple more as compared to orange, but he cannot tell how much he prefers, means he cannot tell his preference in terms of numbers. And second assumption is this function agree interpersonal comparison of utility involves value judgment. As we know, value judgment is assessment of something as good or bad. And third assumption is social welfare basically depends on individuals' wealth and income. Bergson and Samuelson function can be written in this manner. W is function of U1, U2, U3 till Un. Here n is total number of individuals of society. N is total number of individuals of society. And U1, U2, U3 till Un is ordinal utility, or we can say that ordinal preferences of all individuals of society. And W is social welfare. And this equation basically shows social welfare is function of ordinal preference of all individuals of society. Now we will see representation of social welfare function through social indifference curve. In this diagram, on x-axis we have utility of A and y-axis we have utility of B. This is W1, W2, W3 and W4 are social indifference curve. And if we move W1 to W2 and W2 to W3 or W3 to W4, our social welfare will improve. Means if we move W1 to W2 or W2 to W3 or W3 to W4, our social welfare will improve. Or we can say that if we move forward from Q to S or S to T, our social welfare will improve. But if we move from Q to R, then B will better off, but A is worse. So because B is gaining something and A is losing something, but level of social welfare will remain same because Q and R in same social indifference curve. Now we will see how we can maximize social welfare function with the help of grand utility possibility frontier. This blue one, this V blue one is grand utility possibility frontier. And these are same as we earlier discussed. W1, W2, W3 and W4 are social indifference curve, and x-axis we have utility of A and y-axis we have utility of B. At Q point at W3, social indifference curve is tangent to grand utility possibility frontier. So Q is maximum social welfare point at given factor endowment, technology and preferences of individual. This is all about Bergson and Samuelson social welfare function. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.